Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use the debugger in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will need you to get this Visual Studio Code from your browser. So go ahead and open your browser, search for Visual Studio Code and then download it from this button, or you can click on this website to see all the details, all the things that are in here. So basically in Visual Studio Code there is like four options. There's this IntelliSense, run and debug, both in jet and extension. So we in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the debugger. So basically the debugger, what it does is pretty simple. It's like the start button to a video. So it's like when you watch YouTube and you click start, that is what the debugger is doing exactly. So it is starting, like it's showing you what your code is actually going to do. So in order to make it happen, let's go for example here and let's create a new file. So new file, and then let's make it Java test, and let's make it JavaScript for example. So basically what I'm going to do is add it here. Let's make something like console. So console.log, and let's make it hello world. So here we go. And basically in order for you to make it work, what you have to do is go to here and run and debug node.js, and basically the code shall be running. So here we go. In here debug console you will find hello world. Of course there is other ways to actually use the run debug, which is by clicking on here, but normally guys you will not find this option, which is over here. So what you have to do is go to extensions and then search for code runner, I mean. So here we go, and just install this program that will give you the extension of having this button at the top of your corner of your project. So whenever you want to make something happen, you just need to click in it and you will find it in the output and in the debug console. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.